I'm back with my favorite. This is a Luvmehair wig install, and you guys, this one is a drawstring wig. Never seen anything like this, but Luvmehair has the most innovative wig designs. This is straight out of the package. The curl patterns are literally eating it up. Like, look at that. The inside, it's got the pull tab, so it's supposed to be able to adjust and fit you. So let's put this bad boy on. What comes in our box, of course, they give you the Luvmehair dust bag. I actually like to keep these nowadays because whenever I'm done with the wigs, I'll just put them in the dust bag. Keeps them safe. Definitely the way to go. We got a wig cap, which I will be utilizing today. A melt belt. They done gave me a bonnet. This time I got a bonnet, and I love Luvmehair because they always send new goodies. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. Makeup sponge, and then a clip. Let's put on our wig cap, and then we're gonna be right back. Completely glueless. And I like the style wig caps they give you because they are super stretchy. I wanna do an initial try on the wig because I haven't tried it on. The lace does come pre-cut. We're gonna just put it on. Oh, definitely big head friendly because I do have on the little wig cap. The strap. Ah. Oh yeah, adjusting it with that strap makes it. Ooh. So before, let's try to pull the drawstrings. Oh yeah, it definitely makes it snug. We're gonna add a little spray just to the hairline. Right there. Uh-oh. Ah. Okay, so I do think that the lace is blended beautifully. A little bit of mousse just to kind of define these front curls. This was a really easy wig, and it's very secure on my head. She's cute. Lightweight, big head friendly. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a little bit of product. We're gonna comb it out, and then we're gonna add more product. The fresh curls, but I am gonna make it bigger. But this is what it looks like fresh out. It's a vibe. So this is what the hair is looking like. Bold. I kind of feel I love the vibe. So cute. Okay, and this is what the hair looks like defined. I defined the curls. They are gorgeous. When they air dry, they'll get a little bigger, but I do like how melty the scalp is. I just added glue in the middle. I love how deep my part is. This is definitely a beginner friendly hairstyle. I did add a little bit of layers in the front. Hair texture, gorgeous. If you had a diffuser, you could diffuse it, but I'm gonna just kind of let it air dry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.